Good morning guys. What a beautiful day once again. I'm here in Rojas City Airport Road. And guys, that is our runway of the airport. And dumating na ang Philippine Airlines. It's a beautiful place for a walking guys kasi malapad siya. Tingnan nyo. This road kakonect ni sa may San Roque extension. And guys, yan na yung Rojas City Airport. Yan. Malapit na. Beautiful. Cute ng bahay kubo. Oh, good morning. Ayan. Yan ang Cebu Pacific na. That's the runway of airport nan guys. Let's go walking. Go for a walk early morning. Yan guys. Happy Monday everyone guys. Cebu Pacific just landed.